welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a new exhaust muffler on our E93 M3, and this muffler is called AE mufflers or exhaust. It's, I believe, Autobahn Exotics, a company that was made by Paul Walker, so this is also dubbed the Paul Walker exhaust as well. Rest in peace. I heard a lot of good things about this exhaust. It's rare, so let's take a look inside as well. Okay, here's a better look inside of the muffler. Kind of looks like the inside of a resonator. So that's what it looks like in here. Just one big resonator. Let's throw it on the car and see how it sounds compared to universal valve mufflers. Okay, so we got the new exhaust on. This is the mufflers. Fitment is pretty good. Just gotta lift up that left side a little more. I think it's a little bit lower than the right, but I'll adjust that later. Still has that nice tone when you get past 4,000 RPM. But yeah, just a little bit deeper than before, so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.